way to start off the trip, lobster dinner. In case you didn't know, I'm in Shanghai today. Gonna do the Shanghai workshop with Schoolism. And haven't been to Shanghai in about 18 years, so wow, it's really changed. It's really modernized and everything. It's fantastic. What a great way to start off the trip. So now we're heading towards a bar with a view. I know my vlogs have a lot of me drinking at bars and things, but I just wanted to state that it's because I'm always on vacation on these vlogs, so that's why we're having fun and drinking and whatever. That's not usually me every day, okay? I'm just letting you know that. Okay, so you're probably looking at these cars coming straight at us, and then over here there's more cars coming straight at us, and then over here there's cars going this way. Just another day in Shanghai. Holy smokes! Look at that! And I'm here with my buddy Art Germ, the one and only. Right on. Good times, good times. Alright everybody, cheers! Super fun, but wasn't the highlight of my night. This was the highlight of my night. What? Oh, dude. Thank you so much, man.
No problem.
Wow. That's awesome. That's going straight in the frame when I get home. Now that was a fun night. But one of the other things I love about China is actually the shopping. I wouldn't usually say that because I'm not a big shopper, but the amazing things that you see here you would never see anywhere else. It's more like candies for the eyes. And of course, every meal here has been absolutely amazing, no matter how exotic it looks.
In its face.
So last night was great conversations, and now it's time to go to the workshop. First up, Stanley Art Germ Lao. Get ready to get inspired, everybody. We're coming, Shanghai.
Same spirit, you know, we're all do the same thing, we all love the same thing, so the more we can connect, the better. Just do what they love.
And we are so grateful that you guys are here to join us today. So first I want to thank our sponsors. FunPlus has been so gracious as our global sponsor.
So I'm here to learn as well as you. I want you to give a big round of applause to the amazing, the wonderful Stanley Archer Lau.
格式网的中文故事说得很好尤其是如果要用中文来形容 Photoshop 的功能的话。
My mission for Schoolism Live, is to create a moment in time where we can bring many of the best artists in the world to share their knowledge, and hopefully we'll look back on this time as being a very special time in art history even.
Yeah, man, this workshops are a great reason to travel the world and to learn from great teachers.
I mean, I've been to Shanghai many times, so this is not new to me. But this is my first time really do a workshop here and really interact with the creative people in Shanghai. So I'm really excited. I mean, because they are very responsive and they ask a lot of questions. I'm always afraid people who don't ask questions, but they ask a lot of questions, good questions. So that makes this trip really worthwhile. Yeah, so I really love it. And of course, the food is amazing. Yeah.
This experience in China has been absolutely amazing, not just because of the food, the art, the people, but this is where I came from. My grandmother was born in Shanghai, so it's an emotional trip as well. It's been fantastic. I can't tell you how much fun it's been.
Thank you, Shanghai!
感谢 Superstar Open Plus
All the way from Seattle, Schoolism Shanghai.
Schoolism Shanghai.
Schoolism Shanghai. Good Shanghai. Schoolism Shanghai.
Schoolism Shanghai. I love it. So now I'm heading back to Toronto. I'm gonna really miss this city. But guess what? Today I helped a friend. Then later on I just happened to help an elderly lady. And then I ended up complimenting a stewardess about how much I loved her airline. And then when I went to check into my flight, at the gate they took my ticket and then they ripped it up. Only to give me a first class ticket. Karma's real. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then press the notification button to get instant notifications of the next time I put out a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.